Okay, we're going to be expanding brackets with surds. First example, expand and simplify fully. 5 bracket, root 2 minus 4 root 3, close bracket. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is times the 5 by the root 2, which is 5 root 2. Then we're going to times the 5 by the 4 root 3. We do the whole numbers first. So 5 fours are 20, and we get minus 20 root 3. And that's the question done, because there are no like terms to simplify. Okay, next example. 2 root 3, and then brackets 3 root 2 plus root 5. Okay, the first two terms first. 2 root 3 times 3 root 2. Do the whole numbers first. 2 times 3 is 6. And then under the square root sign, the square root of 3 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 6. So we will get 2 3s are 6, 6 root 6. Good. Okay, the next one. This is going to be 2 times, and then under the square root of 3 times 5. So it's 2 times the square root of 15. Okay, and as there are no like terms, no like surds, that's the answer. Okay, the next one has 2 brackets, so it's a binomial product, and we have to times each term in turn. So let's look at the first one. Do the whole numbers first. 2 3s are 6. The square root of 5 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 10, so that will give us 6 root 10. Okay, the next one. The whole numbers are just 2. Root 5 times root 7 is the square root of 5 times 7, so we'll get 2 times the square root of 35. Okay, underneath now. Root 3 times 3 root 2. Well, the whole numbers, we've just got 3, and we've got a minus there, so it's minus 3, and then root 3 times root 2 is root 6, so it's minus 3 root 6. And the last one, we've got a plus and a minus there, so it's going to be a minus. Root 3 times root 7 is root 21, so it's minus root 21. Okay, last example now. Binomial product again. Whole numbers, we're going to get 5, and then we've got the square root of 2 times the square root of 2. Okay, that will be root 2, right? Root 2 times root 2 is 2. So we'll do that in a moment though. The next one. The whole numbers would be 5 times 3 is 15. The square roots are 2 times 3, so it would be the square root of 6. So it would be 15 root 6. Okay, underneath, we've just got root 3 times root 2. So it's root 3 times 2, which is root 6, and it's plus root 6. And the last one, the whole numbers are 3, and then we've got root 3 times root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is 3 whole ones, so it's 3 times 3. Okay, now 5 2s are 10. We've got minus 15 root 6 plus, and that would be a 1, so it's 1 root 6. That would be minus 14 root 6. And then we've got minus 3 3s are 9, so we take away 9. Okay, let's gather like terms. We've got 10 and we've got minus 9. 10 take away 9 is 1, and then we've just got minus 14 root 6. And that completes our 4 examples for expanding brackets with surds.